Welcome to this step-by-step guide of unboxing our new cutting machine, the Xp005L by XHorse. The package comes with a manual, therefore this video is not detailed. Step 1. Unboxing the packaging. The Xp005L comes in a sturdy, well-protected box. When you receive it, inspect the outer packaging for any damage during shipping. Go ahead and carefully open the top of the box. Inside, you'll find the machine securely. Step 2. What's in the box? Once you open it up, you'll find the Xp005L machine itself, the power adapter and cable, a USB cable for connecting to your computer, the clamp and probe accessories, a cleaning brush, a set of key blanks for calibration, and the instruction manual. Make sure all items are present. Step 3. Machine setup. Place the Xp005L on a flat, stable workbench. Connect the power cable to the machine and plug it into a power outlet. If you plan to use the machine with the XHorse app or VVDI software, connect the USB cable to your computer as well. Power on the machine. Step 4. Software and calibration setup. Once the machine is powered on, navigate to the settings menu on the touch screen. Select your language and region preferences. Before you cut any real keys, the machine requires a calibration cut. This ensures the cutting head is perfectly aligned and the measurements are accurate. Insert one of the included calibration key blanks into the clamp as instructed on screen, using the button on the side. The touch screen will light up and the system will boot up in a few seconds. Before proceeding, packed in foam inserts to protect it during transit. Unboxing and setup guide for the XHorse Xp005L Condor key cutting machine. This is one of the most popular automatic key cutting machines on the market, and today we're going to walk through everything, from opening the box to setting it up, all the way to making your very first calibration cut. Let's get into it. Step 5. The calibration cut. Here is the live demonstration of the calibration.
This is the first cut we're making. After installing the machine, it's a calibration process, or a calibration cutting. So I'm following the instructions on the machine. It says cutting calibration first step finished. Okay. Continuing. Yeah, apparently this is completed. Let's clean up. Out. Let's compare the two keys. As you can see, these keys are identical, absolutely identical. Exactly what it is, exactly that key.
And that's it. The XHorse Xp005L is now fully set up and calibrated. As you can see, the machine cut two perfectly identical keys on the very first try, right out of the box. This machine is a game changer for any locksmith or automotive key professional. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.